We're moving on into our last story. Eniola Badmus has vowed to take legal action against a user on X after being falsely accused of operating a private pimping network linking young women to politicians, movie directors, and executives. Now, the controversy began when the account at FemZDR1 posted allegations claiming Badmus facilitated such connections and used them to enter political circles. The claim spread quickly across social media, and Badmus responded on her verified accounts, dismissing the accusations as false and attention-seeking, warning the authorities would intervene and stating emphatically, "Let it be known that we do not forgive in this zone." So on the screen is what the user said, stating that Badmus has been linking young children to politicians, pimping people to politicians, music executives, actors and actresses, and so on. And that is what she said. She says, "This is the attention you've been craving for, so let's get into it. This is a false accusation and authorities will step in. Let it be known that we do not forgive in the zone." Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we have for you today on MX Breaks, right here on MX24 TV. Have an amazing weekend, but what do you think? You can go into our comment section on our social media pages at MX24GH and let it be known that you actually agree or disagree. We'll come to you with more stories next week. My name is Daphne Flashley. Bye-bye.